मैं सवाल यही पूछी थी कि OTT के लिए जो जिस किस्म के ड्रामे बन रहे हैं और टेलीविज़न के लिए बन रहे हैं, थोड़ा आयरनी ये नहीं है that both of you found fame in television and now both of you are not doing television. So is that because it's content वैसा नहीं television के लिए बन रहा, or you feel it's okay, you've evolved as actors, you don't want to do that kind of content anymore?
What kind of content?
The
Like
kind of
something like
content
Zindagi
that is being
Gulzar.
made for television,
Okay.
for the masses, as we say, right? And this is for a more perhaps an audience that understands the abstract. Because television आप दोनों इस वक्त नहीं कर रहे.
A, I think because of the content, and B, because कोई अब पूछता नहीं है, because इतने साल से मना किया है, या जो 2-3-4 स्क्रिप्ट्स आते रहते हैं, उनको कहा गया है कि नहीं, is there something else, and then I think they just think कि आप अब टीवी पे काम ही नहीं करेंगे, तो I'm not sure, but it's a mix of के जो आ रहा था वो नहीं करना था, और अब उसकी वजह से तो honestly कोई पूछ नहीं रहा, because इतना OTT पे हो रहा है, I think they just assume कि अब टीवी पे नहीं करना, but I really value the power
हमारे
of
बस की बात नहीं
television.
रही अब.
हाँ, I don't agree. I would like to do television only because I really value the power of television.
Yeah, absolutely.
जिस तरह आपने कहा कि टेलीविजन की वजह से हमारा नाम बना है, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इतनी वास्ट ऑडियंस के साथ कनेक्ट कर पाऊँ फिर से, लेकिन वो स्क्रिप्ट अगर उस तरह का आए, अभी जो एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है उस वो वाला कंटेंट लग नहीं रहा.
Are you also not getting scripts? Nobody's asking you to do television, or you're...
ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा.
What does that mean?
That you might
वक्त
see
ही
him on
बताएगा.
television.
That he might be back on television.
You know, Fawad really liked मेरे पास तुम हो. Did you talk about that in any of the interviews? I wonder अगर मेरे
No, but
पास
hey, let's talk about it now. Okay.
No, I thought it was
would
like
you have
the-
done that? Adnan's role or Humayun's role?
Would I have done Adnan's role or Humayun's role? I think I cannot compete with their performances. Not at all.
No, आप
That's
कुछ
what
अलग
we were
करते
asking though,
उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया.
But मैं no as a viewer मैं बात करूँगा watching it मुझे लगा कि it was very well written. हाँ उसमें कुछ लोगों को शायद वो एक dialogue है जिससे तकलीफ हुई. Having said that, the way that it was made, the pacing, the music, the performance, the direction, हर चीज जो है ना जिस तरह होता है ना, it fit like a glove. And I was glued. Like मैं because मैं अब जब TV देखता हूँ, ठीक है ना, and after a very long time, now I have started. I up until maybe a year ago, I started watching TV. My wife watches the serials. तो जब serials लगते हैं तो when she's watching it तो फिर मैं देखता हूँ, and then maybe there are a few that I just go out of my way to watch. Like
Yeah.
I'll watch them. तो ये जो recommended lists आ रही होती तो उसमें से फिर मैंने देखना शुरू किया, and then after the first episode, you see, the one thing that I also liked about मेरे पास तुम हो is it was not wall to wall music, which is like उस तरह की edit भी मुझे जो है पसंद आती है कि जिसमें आपका wall to wall music scene में नहीं चल रहा, it comes in and goes, it's
Right.
used as an instrument to tell the story as
Right.
opposed to filling the background silence, because मुझे लगता है silence बहुत जरूरी है, जो हमारे पुराने दौर के टेलीविजन में ज्यादा हुआ
जो
करता
I
था.
think जिंदगी गुजारे में बिल्कुल नहीं थी.
There was music wall to wall. Again, that does not take away from Zindagi Guzare, but I enjoy this approach.
Fawad, nothing can take away from Zindagi Gulzar.
No, it can't.
It's got
No, it
a
can't.
die-hard following. I mean,
Yeah.
it's like
No,
insane.
I thought it was very well written, well executed, and a very cute serial.
Yeah.
But my preference is, you know, where all the elements are used in moderation.
Right.
So वो चीज़ मुझे उसकी बहुत अच्छी लगी. And yeah.
So other than the story for Berserk, जो कि लोगों को 6 episodes में पता चल जाएगी, there are other elements that really add value to it, like the cinematography, for example. Oh my
Azmi.
God. You look at those trees and that landscape and you're like hit by that spectacle. So वो भी एक next level है. So tell me about that process a little bit, the direction and how the shoot was done, the filming was done. This was Gilgit Chitral? Gilgit Baltistan. Yeah. Tough to go up there and shoot and stay there for how long? Just tell us a little bit about the process.
What, 5 weeks?
Yeah, I
The
think
team was there for 2 months, and I think we were there for
And not in winter, I would
But I
think.
went and I came, I think. Yeah.
September, October. It was just the last few days were unbearable. And there were a lot of night scenes.
Yeah.
तो बहुत ठंड लगती थी, but otherwise, वो like I said last time, just the being in the mountains, a different kind of energy takes over when you're surrounded in nature and mountains.
I keep looking for horror stories, but nobody's giving me any. During
कि
the shoot.
पहाड़ों में कुछ
पहाड़ों में
Oh, there was an incident.
Tell ना please.
But अब exclusive नहीं रहा, मैंने एक और इंटरव्यू में
कोई
भी
बात
उसका
नहीं.
तस्करा किया.
कोई बात नहीं.
सो हमारे ना अक्रॉस जिस घर में हम शूट कर रहे थे, जो पैलेस था इटसेल्फ, राइट, जो उनका समर होम था, तो वहां पे सेट लगे हुए थे ऊपर वाले फ्लोर में और नीचे वाले फ्लोर में, और फिर नीचे पीछे द कॉम्प्लेक्स कंटिन्यूज, जिसमें द फैमिलीज हैड शिफ्टेड पीछे वाले कमरों में, व्हिच आर द न्यूअर ब्लॉक्स. दिस वाज लाइक द ओल्डेस्ट ब्लॉक जहां
You
पे
know
हम
about the
shoot
Mir of Hunza's house?
या
हाँ, okay.
So, रात को when is like the moon was out and you could see the बादल नजर आ रहे हैं चांद की रोशनी में, और पहाड़ नजर आ रहे हैं, there's glistening white snow and all of that stuff. So I turned and saw the house, and this is around about, I think this is past 12. I don't know if it was 3 o'clock, if it was 12 or 1, I don't remember. 3 sounds like a better number.
Yeah.
3 होता है ना? नहीं, 3 o'clock होता है.
3 o'clock is the witching hour.
3 o'clock.
Is it? Is
Yeah.
it 11:11?
No, 11,
It's
11.
3, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so. Horror films मैंने 3 देखा.
हाँ.
Anyway, the long story short was कि because they had shifted there, तो उस कमरे में, उन कमरों में कोई नहीं होता था, वो लॉकअप हो जाता था because अंदर सामान सारा पड़ा हुआ था. तो रात के वक्त जो है ना, एक कमरे में पहले लेफ्ट, like at the very end of the house, मोर्स कोड की तरह ना लाइट ऑन होती है, फ्लिकर होती है, ऑफ होती है. मैंने कहा एक दफ़ा को फ्लक्चुएशन होगी, फिर ऑन होती है, ऑफ होती है, फिर उसके बाद the other room at the end, which was the dining hall,
I don't know.
वहाँ पे
this.
ऑन होती है, ऑफ होती है, and this continues for at least like 5-6 minutes. I even have it on video. I'll show it to you afterwards. I thought that was somewhat supernatural. I mean, I didn't see
तो ये तो
forms
आपको
of-
चित्राल में भी हुआ था?
चित्राल में तो मैं बताता हूँ क्या हुआ था. चित्राल में तो we were in our
इन्हीं को होते हैं.
rooms, और ऊपर जो है ना, like वो बाथरूम की रोशनदान है. I don't have to tell you what I was doing in the bathroom.
Okay.
But I was minding my own
Own
business.
Yeah.
And then I heard some, like, as if like a heavy body was
Allah.
crawling on the tin roof, and this is what I heard.
Could
Like,
be
if you
a
can hear it
cat.
on the mic,
Could be a
I heard like a,
cat.
हाँ, you could hear heavy breathing, crawling,
Oh, you too-
scratching.
you heard it
I
as
know,
well?
he told us this.
then I went to, and उस रात को 4 कमरों में
Light
लोगों के
गई,
charges
ठक
फट गए.
करके, हाँ, मेरे
Charges
कमरे में
फट गए.
फटा था.
So
Same
I
time.
heard like a crackling in the wall. It sounded like insects in the wall first. Because apparently it was the crackling of electricity. And then it went, and then the charger started again. But that heavy breathing just sounded like, it was weird. I had to call one of those people जो reception पे थे, and मैंने कहा मुझे लगता है कि ऊपर कोई या तो जानवर है या कोई चीज है जो खड़ी हुई है.
उन्होंने कहा
So,
ऐसा अक्सर ही लोग
चित्राल में
complain
मैंने
करते हैं.
इंसिडेंट्स सुने हैं कि apparently, so I mean maybe these are stories
Yeah.
and whatnot, but वो जो क्या होता है touching the sky type जो
Like वहाँ के पिक्चर